Okay, children, let's do the next question. He says, prove this is equal to 1062 is equal to 1062 degree. Cos 17 plus sin 17 upon cos 17 minus sin 17. There is a specific method of this kind of a question where the same angles like cos 17 sin 17 cos 17 sin 17 is to be calculated. What we are going to do is we'll divide the numerator as well as denominator by cos 17. Divide numerator and denominator by cos 17. You will see what is the purpose of doing this. You will understand once we go ahead with this question. So cos 17 upon cos 17 plus sin 17 upon sin 17 upon cos 17 upon cos 17 plus, sorry, minus, it's minus here, minus sin 17 upon, we are dividing by cos 17, we are making, what are we doing here, cos 17, sin 17 upon cos 17, we are dividing by the same, so it will become 1 minus 1017 upon 1, 1 plus 1017 upon 1 minus 1017. 1 plus 1017 upon 1 minus 1017. I can write this as 1045 plus 1017. Why 1045? The value of 1045 is 1. The value of 1045 is 1. Here I am not going to write. I will write here 1045 and 1017 because 1045 is 1. So whether you in place of 1 you write 1045, you multiply, it remains the way. It remains the same. 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. And what is this formula? It is 10a plus b. 1045 plus 17. That is 1062 degree. That is right hand side. We got the right hand side with the help of this formula. What we did was we divided the numerator and denominator by cos 17. So cos 17 will give us 1. Sin 17 upon cos 17 will give me 1017. 1 plus 1017 upon 1 minus 1017. In the numerator, in place of 1, I replace it by 1045 because I am also looking at the manipulation, as I said in trigonometry. In trigonometry, we have a lot of manipulation. 1045 plus 1017, 45 plus 17, you will see come out to be 62. So 1 minus 1045, 1017. It is actually 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b. 10a is replaced by 1045. 1045 is 1. Here also with 1017, 1045 multiplied is 1. It is multiplying, so it doesn't make. So 1045 plus 17 becomes 1062, and that is what we had to prove. Cos 17 plus sin 17. Okay, now let's see question number 8. Question number 8 is we have to prove what do we have to prove? Question number 24. 10 3a minus 10 2a, 10 3a minus 10 2a minus 10a. Okay, 10 3a minus 10 2a minus 10a is equal to, we have to prove it as equal to 10 3a, 10 2a and 10a. This is what we have to prove. Okay, let's see what do we have to do. What we are going to do is, we know 10 3a, I can write as 10 2a plus a. 10 3a can be written as 10 2a plus a. Everything is in terms of 10. Multiplication also, addition also, or division or subtraction is in terms of 3a 2a a. So I have written 10 3a is equal to 10 2a plus a, and I apply the formula here, 10a plus b. 10 2a plus 10a upon 1 minus 10 2a and 10a, that is equal to 10 3a. 2a plus a, 2a plus a we have written as 10 2a plus a upon 1 minus 10 2a into 10a. Now let us cross multiply this. Let us cross multiply this. When we cross multiply it, what will we get? 10 3a multiplied by 1 is 10 3a, then minus 10 2a, 10 3a, 10 2a and 10a is equal to 10 2a plus 10a. This is what we get. 10 3a into 1 is 10 3a, and then 10 3a multiplies with 10 2a and 10a, we get 10 3a, 10 2a, 10a, and on the right hand side I get 10 2a plus 10a. Now we just have to interchange the signs. 10 3a minus 10 2a minus 10a will be equal to 10 3a, 10 2a and 10a. That is what we had to prove. If you look at this, the first question, what did we have to do? We had to do this only. We had to prove 10 3a minus 10 2a minus 10a is equal to 10 3a into 10 2a into 10a. So we just, what did we do? We wrote 10 3a as 10 2a plus a, and then we applied the formula of 10a plus b. 10a plus b is 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b, and after that we got the value of 10 3a minus 10 2a minus 10a is equal to 10 3a 10 2a 10a. Now let us do the next question in this series, question number 9. It says prove 1075 minus 1030 minus 1075 1030 is equal to 1. Okay, 1075 minus 1030 minus 1075 into 1030 uh, plus 1. Okay, what can I do? I can write this as 1075 minus 1030 is equal to 1 plus 1075 1030. Can I do this? What I've done is I've shifted 1075 1030 to that side. Now what I can do is I can divide the whole equation. Divide equation by 10 sorry, 1 plus 1075 1030. I divide the whole equation by this. What will I get? I'll get 1075 minus 1030 upon 1 plus 1075 1030 is equal to 1. Do I get this? Because 1 plus 1075 1030 will be divided by 1 plus 1075 1030. You get this. 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b is what? 10a minus b is equal to 1. It is 1045 is equal to 1, or 1 is equal to 1. 1045 value is what? 1. So we have got 1 is equal to 1. So this is one way of doing it. What did we do? We shifted minus 1075 1030 to the right hand side. 1075 minus 1030 becomes equal to 1 plus 1075 1030. Then we divided the complete equation right hand side and left hand side by 1 plus 1075 1030. So on the left hand side I will get 1075 minus 1030 upon 1 plus 1075 1030 is equal to 1, and 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b is 10a minus b, which is 775 minus 30, which will give me 1045. 1045 is 1, which is equal to right hand side. So we have been able to prove this. Now let us see question number 10. It says cos 2 theta cos 2 phi, prove cos 2 theta cos 2 phi is equal to plus sin square theta minus 5 sin square theta minus 5 minus sin square theta plus phi is equal to cos 2 theta plus 2 phi. Now again, if you look at this portion, I am going to just cover that with different color. Look at this. Sin square A minus sin square B can be written as sin A minus B into sin A plus B, or sin A plus B into sin A minus B. So sin square theta minus phi minus sin square theta plus phi can be written as sin A minus B sin theta minus phi minus theta minus phi into sine, and once we add theta minus phi plus theta plus phi. This will become sine square theta minus phi minus sine square theta plus phi. It'll This minus theta plus theta will cancel, minus phi plus phi will cancel. You will get what? Sine minus 2 phi, and this will be sine 2 theta, which will become actually minus sine 2 phi sine 2 theta. Why? Sine minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. That will go into the fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, only tan theta and cot theta, only cos theta and sec theta are positive. Rest are negative. So it will become what? Actually, sine square theta minus phi minus sine square theta plus phi actually becomes minus sine 2 phi and sine 2 theta. Okay, now this I'll put into here in the equation. What will I do? I'll get from question I have cos 2 theta cos 2 phi, and this whole becomes minus sine 2 phi sine 2 theta. Now please just look at the formula. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. This formula becomes cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. What is A? 2 theta, B is 2 phi. Cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So it will be actually cos A plus B 2 theta plus 2 phi, which is right hand side. We had to prove it equal to cos 2 theta plus 2 phi. So again, the importance of sin square A minus sin square B, very important formula. We will be using it time and again. It is very important formula. Sin square A minus sin square B is, this is very important. Remember that. It is very important formula. You must remember this formula. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Let me remove this. I don't like it. Okay, that's it. Now, sorry. Okay, let's do the next question. Question number 11. Question 11. What is the question 11? He says if A plus B is 45, show that 10A plus 10B plus 10A 10B is equal to 1. It says if a plus b is 45, show 10a plus 10b, 10a plus 10b plus 10a 10b is equal to 1. Now let us see what we can do. Solution. A plus b is 45. So 10a plus b will be 1045. What is 10a plus b? 10a plus 10b, 10a plus 10b upon 1 minus 10a 10b is equal to 1. The value of 1045 is 1. Value of 1045 is 1. So 10a plus 10b will become 1 minus 10a 10b, or 10a plus 10b plus 10a 10b is equal to 1. So okay, 10a plus 10b plus 10a 10b will be equal to 1. That is what we had to prove. If you look at the figure there, if you look at the question, then this is what we had to prove. If a plus b is 45, then prove this. Alright, so we have got 10a plus 10b plus 10a 10b is equal to 1. Let me write 1 clearly here. It is not visible. 1. Okay, so this is, and then he says find the value of 1022 degree 30 minute in surds. Find the value of 1022 degree 30 minutes in surds. Okay, find 1022 degree 30 minutes without looking into the table. So 10a minus b, 1045 minus 22 degree 30 minutes. This is going to be what? This is going to be actually, this becomes what? Sorry, this is degree. 10a minus 10b. 10a minus 10b upon 1 plus 10a 10b, I think. 30 minutes. This is going to be equal to what? 1022 degree 30 minutes, because 45 minus 22 degree 30 minutes will be half of it. So 10 will remain 1022 degree. Let this 1045 will become 1. 1 minus, let me name 1040 22 degree 30 minutes as x. 1 minus 1 plus x is equal to x. Okay, so next will be what? Let 1022 degree 30 minutes is equal to x. Now let's do what? Cross multiply. 1 minus x is equal to x plus x square, or x square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in x. This is not a perfect square. So I have to use x is here 1022 degree 30 minutes. So x will be equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4a into c upon 2a, 2 into 1. So what will I get? X equal to, x will be minus 2 plus minus 4 plus 4 upon 2. It will be minus 2 plus minus 8. 8 means 4 2s are 8, 2 root 2. 2 root 2 upon 2. It will become minus 1 plus minus root 2, because 2 will cancel. Now the question is, 22 degree 30 minutes is an acute angle. So the value will be positive. So x will be minus 1. There are two possibilities. One is this. This is not possible. Not possible. Not possible. Because 10, 22, 30 degree will 22 degree 30 minutes will be positive. Not possible. X will be root 2 minus 1, because instead of plus we have taken minus. Instead of minus we have taken plus. So this is possible. So sorry. Okay. X is what? 10, 22 degree 30 minutes will be equal to root 2 minus 1. This is the only value which we have. The first value is not possible, negative value is not possible, because 22 degree 30 minutes is an acute angle, and acute angle will be the ratios, trigonometric ratios of acute angles are always positive. So this is the value of 1022 degree 30 minutes. My time has already exceeded, so I would say bye bye again once again to you. Bye.